Now let's understand the distribution of marks from the examination point of view. In total it is for 4 marks, and which are divided into format, which includes mentioning name of institution, the word notice, then title, date, writer's name with designation, that constitute 1 mark. Content, which includes what, when, where, who and how, for 2 marks. Then expression, which includes organization of content, relevance, accuracy and fluency. In total it is for 4 marks. Now let's understand important points to be followed while drafting a notice. Start with the name of the organization or the institute which is issuing the notice. Then leave a line. Write the word notice in capital alphabets. Underline it. Write the date on the left hand side as given in the format here, 25th April 2021. Leave a line. Write the subheading, then underline it. Then again leave a line. Start with the content of the notice. It should be left aligned and it should answer what, when, where and how. It should contain the following events. Following: event, date, time, place, other details and relevant information. It should be written in third person. Use simple and formal language. Conclude with the name and designation. Word limit is 50 words. It should be brief, precise and to the point. Present the content in a box and always attempt it on a fresh answer sheet. Now let's understand the format of the notice. As you can see on the screen, the content has been put in a box, and we begin with the name of the issuing authority or the name of the school or the name of the organization. It should be in capital alphabets and underlined. Then in the center of the sheet we have written notice. In the center we have written notice, which is again underlined. Then left hand side we have written date. Then again in the center it is the subheading. Then we come to the main content, the main body of the notice, where we cover what is the event, how, which includes occasion, when, date and timing, where, which includes venue, how, that is the next course of action required, and any other detail or relevant information. And then we end it with the name and the designation. Now let us try solving a previous year question, board question. Arts club of your school is going to organize drawing and painting competition. Write a notice in 50 words to be displayed on the school notice board, inviting students to participate in it. Give all necessary details. You are Rishabh or Ridhima, Secretary Arts Club, Sunrise Public School, Gurgaon, Haryana. So we started with the name of the school, that is the name of the issuing authority, that is Sunrise Public School, Gurgaon, which is in capital alphabets and has been underlined. Then in the center we have again mentioned the word notice, which is again in capitals and underlined. On the left hand side we have mentioned the date. Then we come to the subheading or title, that is drawing and painting competition. The subheading itself should communicate what the notice is about. The arts club of the school is going to organize drawing and painting competition for the students of classes 6 to 12 on 15th July 2021 at 10:30 am in the school auditorium to mark the Founders Day. Now this part of the sentence covers our what, when, where. Now the how part. The students interested in participating in the competition should give their names to their respective class teachers by 22nd May 2021. For further inquiry, contact the undersigned. And we conclude the notice with name of the person, Ridhima, and the designation, Secretary, Arts Club. I hope you found this video informative and educative. Wish you all the best.